Okay, so now let me show you how to insert your pickup stick for this pattern. You will put your heddle in the down position, and then as you can see, you've got a shed back here, just like you have a shed in the front. It can be a little bit difficult to see the threads. You've got a lot of different colors, a lot of things going on looking straight down at it. I find it very helpful to put a piece of paper into the shed and just kind of separate them, and then you can really distinguish what you're doing. So for this one, we're going to pick up the green threads, which is every other, and you simply pick it up with your pickup stick, skip the yellow, pick up the green, every other one. So you're only putting the green ones on the top, the yellow stays below. So now I have all my green threads on top of my pickup stick, the yellow threads below, and then of course that lower half of the shed is below the paper yet. So that's all there is to it. You pull out the paper, slide your pickup stick back, and on this pattern, the heddle will be in neutral, and all you will need to do for steps 1 and 2 is to bring your pickup forward and tip it up on its end like that. And then that's going to give you your shed that you need. And that's it. Now let me show you the steps. Okay, so let me just run you through the 4 steps that this mug requires. It's fairly simple. Like I said, it's just 4 steps, and you'll just repeat them over and over again. Step 1, heddle will be in neutral. You will slide your pickup stick forward, turn it up on end, and as you can see, this now creates another shed. You've got to catch this first thread here. It's actually running through a hole, but if you don't catch it, it's going to leave a loop on the end. So you'll go underneath that one and then into your shed and across. And then again, like with any weaving, you just pay careful attention to your edges. Go ahead and leave your pickup stick where it is, beat down. And then when you come back this opposite direction, you need to go over this thread and into your shed. You'll bring that across, and that way, as you can see, we've caught this thread here. And beat. Then you'll slide your pickup stick back to the back of the loom, and you'll just simply do a regular heddle up. And you don't have to worry about the edge thread on this one because it will catch automatically. And heddle down. And that's it. Now you just repeat again until you've finished your mug rug.